Welcome to Digital Answer Based YouTube channel. In this video today we'll be reviewing and looking over Descript, the GPT that they've introduced for ChatGPT. The Descript and ChatGPT are basically connected now. They've created a GPT, so what that means is now you can start creating videos, put the prompt into the AI, and then it will create an AI video on the back end for you in Descript. Just to make you aware, in order to do this, you will need to have a subscription with Descript. You can do the beginning bit, but you will need a subscription with Descript. Also, just bear in mind that you can only do this on version 4. Before the free version kicks out, you get a certain amount where you can use the 4.0 GPT, and then it kicks you to the free version. So bear in mind that if you don't have a ChatGPT Plus, you won't be able to do this many times. So that's the limitation you have. Let's jump in and I'll show you how it works. The way to find it is you can search for it here. Once you find it, explore GPTs. You can then find the GPT, click on it and play around with it. I'm going to create a 5-minute motivational gym video. That's what I want. So I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to let the GPT do its thing. As you can see, it's working now. Once you're happy, let me know if you want to go ahead, and I'll press yes, or just type in yes and enter, and it's going to create this script here. And when it does create a script, it will ask you to log in. So now, once you're happy, it's going to ask you how you want it. Do you want the video watercolors, bold and energetic, whiteboard doodle, clean and simple, 3D version, or playful and engaging? So let's go for clean and simple. Okay, so just copy this and enter. So what it's doing right now is connecting to Descript, and then here's Descript. So this is the point where you confirm, and now it's done with Descript. So it's very simple. What you do at this point is you click here to view and edit Descript. This is what I meant with you need to have a Descript subscription in order to go to the next stage. So click on that. It opens directly into Descript, and it's just doing everything here. It's going to take about a couple of minutes for Descript to basically create this video. Okay, I requested a 5-minute video, and it looks like it only created a minute, so bear in mind of that. It will create you a maximum of a minute video. The AI, it looks fine. What I'm going to do is upload this onto my YouTube channel, and I will link this video directly below. It looks nice. These are literally behind what it's done. And then what you'll see in the bottom of the link, you'll see the actual video that's been created. So this is how you create a brand new video with AI. In my humble opinion, I think there's better tools out there that will do a better job, where you can create a more cinematic way of shorts or videos. I think if you already got a Descript subscription, it's quite a nice thing to have in the background where you can quickly create an AI video straight away. The advantage that you have is if you have a whole script already, you can summarize your own video. And then once you summarize your own video, you can then put it in ChatGPT, and then you can create a small little short from that. That's the advantage. Yeah, this is how I would use it. That's what it says on the tin. It's not something magical. Just bear in mind, obviously, you can change Descript, you can change whoever you the AI to voice to you want. But yeah, this is how you use GPT to create a small short video. Again, as I mentioned before, make sure that you have a Descript subscription, else you won't be able to use it. This is how you do it. I will link the video that's been created by Descript inside the description, so you can have a look on the quality of that. And if you're happy with it, you can also sign up to do. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comment sections. We always review products, and especially AI products and tools that can help you with your workflow. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.